In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier AI. Whether you're looking to automate tasks, improve workflow efficiency, or leverage AI to enhance your business processes, Zapier AI can be a game changer. Let's dive right in to see how you can make the most of this powerful tool. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Zapier account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Create button, the essential starting point for setting up any new processes within Zapier. This is where your automation journey begins. Clicking on Create will guide you to a new page, and from there, you'll want to navigate to the Zaps section. This area is essentially the heart of your automation experience, where you'll create and manage your workflows. The next step involves selecting a trigger. Think of the trigger as the event that sets your Zap in motion. It's the initial spark that starts the entire automation process. Zapier offers numerous potential triggers, so you can choose one that best fits the event you would like to automate, whether that's a new email and a form submission, or any other activity from a supported app. After you've selected your trigger, it's time to add an event. This is where you define what should happen when the trigger event occurs. Zapier offers a variety of events you can choose from, allowing you to customize the action to meet your specific needs. With this setup, every time your selected trigger event happens, it automatically starts the action you've defined. Next, you'll proceed to click on Action. It's here you will choose what happens following your trigger and event. For our particular focus, we're going to select AI by Zapier. This is the point where we introduce the power of artificial intelligence into the process, allowing for more sophisticated task handling and data manipulation. With AI by Zapier selected, you're now presented with several AI action choices to enhance your automation. Depending on your goals, you might want to choose from actions such as text generation, which allows for the creation of content based on input data. If you need to condense information, content summarization can be incredibly useful. Sentiment analysis can help gauge the emotions or opinions expressed in a particular piece of text. For those needing to pull specific data points, data extraction is available. There's also text classification for organizing text into different categories, and translation, which can be a lifesaver for converting content between languages. Each AI action opens a whole new world of possibilities for tackling tasks more efficiently and effectively. Once you have made your AI action selection, simply save your Zap and let Zapier do the rest. With these steps, you're well equipped to start harnessing the incredible potential of Zapier AI to streamline your work processes. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.